Let's go, everyone! Today, super excited to be unboxing this Sony PlayStation DualSense wireless controller for PS5. This is the black version. I think it's called, it's called Midnight Black. Here's the back of the box. Cool, let's get into it. Oh. There we go. Little manual. Wow. Midnight Black is really nice. Beautiful. Yeah, that's it. Let me know what you think of this in the comment section below, and I'll drop a link in the video description where I got this from. Hope you're all doing well. Catch you for the next unboxing video. Later.